Byaba nagambaho ahakuja kuzo kuzarwa kwa Kristo ori umudumuzi wa polisi habwawera division Tai Ramadan yagira ngo polisi okutaho bwerinzi kibere kiriye cyamani kandi abukugira ngo iki necyo kuretaho businge hamwe no kwatanasa.
Our people are in celebration and they are celebrating, and we are also aware that we are a border district or a border division, so we have taken all the measures to ensure that our people celebrate the days of today and the new year very peacefully.
Ogu yashoborera ngo abaserikare abe batira hansharo na mnonge yabwera hamwe na mpondwe babire bari bo mutano abo kugira ngo aba badireho bwerinzi omubantu bari kuzakuramya.
Of course, yes, we have covered all our worship centers because where our people are is where we are supposed to be. We are here, we are police, we are security, we are UPDF of the people. We are here because of our people. So where they gather is where we also have to be. Ensure that they pray, they celebrate peacefully and nothing disturbs them.
Minister wa ICT Godfrey Kabyanga ayorekera kugira ngo okutahaba Eby'Okwerinda banicetengwa na mnongo hariho okwerinda ahabahekera ba ADF.
First of all, we stay near the border and therefore we don't take chances, mainly when we have such a big days, because while we are planning, the enemy is also planning against us. So this border, just as we have always told you, we still have ADF in Congo, though we are pursuing them. So we normally don't want to take chances here. We have to deploy at such a places like this Kasanga parish receives so many people on such a days. And some of the people come from Congo to come and pray here. Some are coming for holiday to come and pray.
Abataka bongire bashaba okuba berinzi kano kwatanisa nabe Eby'Okwerinda ombwire nkovu. Kasha kwa Gerard Musime habwa Sky TV ya Genshonga.